KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, breezy and cool as we head into the overnight hours. Temperatures dropping down as soon as the clouds clear out. And that's happening right now. And it's going to be a blustery Friday before we see things warm up after a chilly Saturday morning. Now, our storm system didn't bring much rain across Acadiana like yesterday, about a quarter-inch of rain, but it got a little bit stronger as it moved off to the east. And look at the rain shield now. And as we have been talking about, a strong jet stream aloft coming in on the backside of this system, allowing for strong winds, not only aloft but at the surface, deepening that low pressure system. And our friends offshore really paying for it this evening. We'll show you that in just a bit. Here's the back edge of the clouds. They are moving through. It's just about through all of Lafayette, moving into St. Landry Parish, and the clouds have cleared out for all of Vermilion Parish. And to the west, clear. To the east, still clouds, and it might take a good part of the night to clear out across St. Mary Parish, but eventually this system will be moving along and the sun returns tomorrow. Now look at the temperatures today. We've been stuck at 53, 54 degrees all day long. It hasn't changed. Starting to cool off to the north and west. We think mid-40s tonight, but notice some of the offshore readings. In fact, we'll go to the larger look at offshore conditions. By the way, these maps are available on KATC.com. Go to the Sportsman's page. I got all the current observations offshore, including the wind forecast. And look at this. You have sustained winds at 44, 51 miles an hour, Vermilion 331, 55 at East Breaks 165. And then, well, same reading there, but 55 knot winds. And then look at some of the seas, 17 feet. 19 feet, 18 feet. So it is very rough, especially in the deep water areas, but those winds will be gradually dying down by this time tomorrow evening for sure. Breezy and cool as we start our Friday. Temperatures in the mid-40s, wind chills in the mid-30s, lots of sunshine, lunchtime temperatures in the low to mid-50s. We'll top out in the upper 50s and cool and dry for drive time. And then this ridge of high pressure will be close enough to a Saturday morning to allow temperatures to dip down into the mid to upper 30s, but there is some question if a south wind kicks in, we might see just lower 40s. But then as the high moves off to the east, we warm up nicely Saturday afternoon into the 60s, but the clouds will be increasing, and we do expect more clouds for Sunday. Temperatures, though, Sunday reaching back near 70 degrees. Here's the wind situation. Breezy overnight tonight. These are sustained winds, so that means gusts at night 15 to 20, and then during the day they pick up a little bit with daytime heating and mixing, so we'll see gusts to 25 during tomorrow afternoon, and then the winds drop off nicely tomorrow night, setting up for a chilly night and that optimal radiational cooling where you see temperatures dropping pretty quickly once the sun goes down. As for the gusts, you'll see the gusts gusting to about 25, 28 during the course of the overnight hours. Much the same early tomorrow, but by noon the winds begin to abate, or at least the gustiness, and then things quiet down as we head into tomorrow night and into Saturday. Temperatures by morning, low to mid-40s. We'll go with a wind chill in the mid-30s, so bundle on up. Winds stay a little breezy, but die down toward the afternoon. We'll go 59 for the high, so upper 50s tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow night, mid to upper 30s, no wind chill, but there could be patchy frost, especially along and north of the I-10 corridor. You get down to about 35 or so with light winds. You'll probably see frost on the ground, so you may have to cover the plants tomorrow night. And then going into Saturday afternoon, temperatures warming nicely into the upper 60s. So how's it going to go for the big Christmas weekend? Well, we showed you mild conditions as we head into Saturday. Weak frontal boundary Sunday may generate a few showers in the afternoon. Will be mild temperatures getting into the lower 70s Monday, then maybe a little bit cooler as that high pressure system just skirts east of the area. That frontal boundary may generate a few showers. We're going 20% or less for Sunday, Monday. Then we get down to time Santa arrives, and it looks like it will be mild temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, maybe some fog. That's what Rudolph is for. And Christmas Day, temperatures near 70 once again. Maybe a little slight chance of a shower, but no more than 10%. But as we head toward the mid and latter part of the week, it stays mild, but rain chances ramping up most certainly for Thursday. Here we go for Friday, more rain in the area, and starts to get colder as well. And it looks like more rain going into the following weekend. So a wet period coming up mid to late next week. Near term tonight, clearing skies from west to east, breezy and colder overall. 44-year low with those gusty northwest winds, putting a little bit of a bitter wind chill into it. Sun returning tomorrow. Gorgeous day, 59 the high. Should be a lovely one. Lots of sunshine Saturday, nice and mild in the upper 60s, lower 70s Sunday. And as we indicated, Christmas Day looking pretty nice. Rain chances down to 10%, and those rain chances ramping up, and eventually we cool down. But certainly you can say that the chance of a white Christmas here in Acadiana is below zero. Let's put
okay.
Below zero chance.
All righty. Thank you, Rob.